Welcome all you Zontes maniacs. If you would like to donate to the channel, there is a PayPal link in the description. All donators will get a shout out on the start of new videos. It takes a lot of time to bring you this content, so let's dive in. Zontes U and GK Non-Inductive Start Guide. Follow the slowed down video instruction. Model U first, then GK model is shown afterwards. Ever walked up to your Zontes, pressed the button, and nothing? No lights, no love, just silence. Don't panic. It's not ghosting you. It's just time for the non-inductive start procedure. Think of it as the bike's secret handshake when your key fob decides to play dead. Open the little PKE flap near the ignition. That's basically the bike's front door. Don't just barge in. Manners matter. Now, hold your fob by the backside. Yes, backside. Stop giggling. It's the technical term. Press and hold the red on button for the time stated in video. Imagine you're proposing marriage. Wait for the beep. That's the bike saying, I do. Within 10 seconds, touch the fob's backside to the PKE body. If you hear another beep, congratulations. You've just completed the Zontes secret handshake. You're in the club. Now, start the bike like usual. Cue dramatic music. You've resurrected your scooter from the dead. You'll need this trick if your fob battery is flatter than a pancake, if you're parked next to a UFO messing with signals, or if your bike just wants to test your patience. Basically, it's the emergency backup when technology throws a tantrum. So next time your Zontes plays hard to get, don't panic. Just whip out the secret handshake. And if anyone's watching, pretend you're hacking the Pentagon. Instant street cred. Like, subscribe, and remember, always respect the fob's backside.